Thousands and thousands of makeup artists. I feel so happy to announce our one-day exclusive South Indian Bridal Masterclass is going to be held at Stratford in London on the 12th of July 2025. For close to a decade, I've been able to train thousands of makeup artists, not just in Kerala, but across South India, both online and offline. And having trained thousands and thousands of makeup artists, I feel so happy to announce our one-day exclusive South Indian Bridal Masterclass is going to be held at Stratford in London on the 12th of July 2025 from morning till evening, and I'm sure you're going to have a wonderful time. You're going to take a lot of things from this class, and I'm sure of it. I can guarantee it. Most of you know that I studied in Scotland, and UK is very, very close to my heart. It feels so nice to actually do a class in London. The class that I'm going to do is going to be exclusively based on South Indian bridal makeup. So no matter whether you're a makeup enthusiast, you're a makeup artist who's just looking to upgrade your skill, or you just want to learn about makeup artistry and how professional makeup gets done on stage, what are the slight nuances that you need to keep in mind when you have to get professional work done. I always believe makeup artistry is science, and I always teach based on scientific calculations, analysis of skin, how to evaluate anatomy, product layering, etc., etc. When it comes to South Indian bridal makeup, what are the slight cultural references you need to actually keep in mind when you do professional work? What is the difference between Kerala bridal makeup, a bride from Tamil Nadu, Telugu, Kannada? So what are the differences, and what are the variations you can actually bring into place when you have to attend a client? It is not going to be just another routine. I'm going to teach you how to evaluate skin, what are the different skin types, what are the different skin concerns, based on the environment where the bride is going to do the ceremony, what are the layering processes by which you can achieve flawless skin, and also to ensure how to not change one's skin tone. And that's very, very crucial when it comes to makeup artistry. You do not learn makeup artistry because you want to change someone's ethnicity. You learn makeup artistry to understand and evaluate skin properly. And that is something that I am very particular about when I teach makeup. The class is going to be conducted in English. Now, the next question is whether hairstyling would be included. Yes, we are going to teach you hairstyling as well, all the different variations of South Indian bridal hairstyling, how to fit in accessories properly, how to take different hairstyles into account, like maybe an updo, certain braids, and how to accessorize them properly. So these things will be considered and taught as well. Additionally, when it comes to makeup, I'm also going to teach you something called semi-underpainting technique, whereby I will show you how to achieve underpainting technique through bridal makeup. Now, underpainting is a very, very common technique used in photo shoots and for photography. However, you can actually apply that for bridal makeup as well. However, you need to stick to semi techniques, not the entire full-fledged underpainting techniques. So I'm going to be teaching you that. I'm going to teach you also how you can actually use techniques to make your makeup last very long. Also, I'm going to show you products from drugstore to high-end, everything that you can incorporate into your kit to achieve that wonderful bridal makeup look. And if you have any questions pertaining to the details, about the syllabus or anything at all, please do not hesitate to contact our number. You can also DM us with your details. Our team will be always here to answer all your questions for you in depth, and please not hesitate to ask any of your doubts. Okay? So I look forward to meeting a lot of you in London. Take care. Bye-bye.